Hey everybody, this is Lyric and I'm here with Heather from Pixel Gamer Girls, and
there, I thought you forgot my name. I was about to say, that's a travesty.
Yeah, no, I didn't forget your name. No.
I'm flattered, good lady.
Anyway, we are here doing an unboxing. We got some goodies in the mail today, so I thought we would go ahead and show you those. So, here we go. Drum roll. Go, Heather, go.
Let's see. Did you say who sent it?
No. These are some awesome gifts from Ravenous Spectre and Tonya from Pixel Gamer Girls.
We bought half of them.
Okay. So here we go. We have Shenmue 1 and 2. I'm going to be looking forward to streaming some of these, I swear.
Sorry, I was checking the disc. This one was loose.
We have Northgard. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They've got some stuff on there. That'd be awesome.
Oh.
We have Steam World Dig 2.
There we go.
And we have Outward. So I look forward to checking these games out. I really do. And oh my god, she's gorgeous. This is the only time you'll ever see me as a girl, I swear. One of the only Barbies I will ever own.
What is my therapy?
Lara Croft, dude. Come on, stop, please. It's Lara Croft. Oh my god, look how beautiful she is. I love it. I'm so sorry for the glare, you guys. Let me see if I can't get up closer, but oh man, look at that. Oh my god, she's gorgeous. I am totally not opening her. Looks like this is the Barbie from the newest movie, which is pretty cool. Tomb Raiders. So, okay, well, that is about it. And thank you, Tonya. Thank you, Ravenous.
Yeah, thank you for the games.
These are awesome. God, this doll is awesome. I don't know what I'm gonna do with her. It's Tomb Raider. It's Lara Croft. Yes. Anyway, I'll see you guys real soon. And Heather will see you guys real soon. And we will talk to you guys later. Bye.